and the car is going for 11 million naira, slightly negotiable. It's going for 12.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
The prices of these cars are very affordable and negotiable.
And the car is going for 13.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you're looking for, and I'll make a video about it just for you.
And it's going for 14 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Wait, don't make payments for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspections and test drive. Today we are here at Blessed Autos to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy.
My name is Ruth. Welcome to Blessed Automobile.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car and a Nigerian fairly used car?
I will advise people to watch out for the underneath, because sometimes
like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
the underneath might be rust, and when you buy it becomes a problem, and also the catalyst.
So watch this video till the end, make a choice and call the phone number inside this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation.
This is a foreign used Lexus RX 350 2020 model F Sports. This is the interior, very clean, very unique. All the buttons are functioning perfectly okay. The AC is chilling, the 360 camera, the car is everything. Nothing to fix, just buy and drive. This is the review of the Lexus RX 350 2020 model F Sports 360-degree camera. This car is going for 80 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
First thing, I will advise people to buy Toyota products, Lexus and Hyundai, because they are full economical. This is a foreign used Lexus RX 350 2014 model. This is the interior of the car. Very clean, AC chills, all the buttons are working perfectly. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is the review of Lexus RX 350. This is the revised camera, and this car is going for 32 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Name 1 car you will not advise anyone to buy today and why.
For me, I don't think there's any car I would advise anyone not to buy. Depends on choices. This is a foreign used Lexus ES 350 2013 model, accident free. This is the interior, very clean, very neat. All the buttons are functioning very okay. The AC is chilling, nothing to fix, just buy and drive. This is the review of Lexus ES 350 2013 model, and it's going for 24 million naira, slightly negotiable.
So do you swap cars?
No, we don't. This is a foreign used Lexus ES 350 2014 model. This is the beautiful interior, very clean. The AC is chilling, all the buttons are functioning perfectly okay. Nothing to fix, nothing to work, buy and drive. This is the review of Lexus ES 350 2014 model. This is the revised camera, and the car is going for 24 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Where do you get your cars from?
Get our car from UK, Germany, Europe, US. This is a foreign used Lexus RX 350 2010 model, accident free, fully duty paid, first body. This is the interior of the car, very clean, very neat. The AC is chilling, everything is working perfectly okay. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is the review of Lexus RX 350, the revised camera, and this car is going for 22.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Do you rent cars?
No, we don't. This is a foreign used car, Lexus ES 350 2010 model, accident free, fully duty paid, first body. This is the interior of the car. This is the review of Lexus ES 350, the revised camera, and it's going for 15.5 million naira to negotiate.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Definitely. This is a foreign used Lexus RX 350 2008 model. This is the interior. This is the review of Lexus RX 350, the revised camera, and this car is going for 15.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Do you accept instrumental payments?
Yes, we do, but the duration is 1 month. This is a foreign used Lexus IS 250, 2008 model, upgraded to 2015 model. This is the interior. This is the review of Lexus IS 250. This is a revised camera, and this car is going for 14.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
What's the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
9 million naira. This is a foreign used Lexus RX 330, 2007 model, accident free, fully duty paid, first body. This is the interior. This is the review of RS 330 2007 model, the revised camera, and it's going for 14 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars going up these days?
Reason is because the custom duty is on the high side, dollar is also high, and Nigerian use is not any cheaper. Because as a car owner, I would want to sell my used car at a rate that even if I'm to add money, it should be enough for me to purchase a foreign used car. But I don't deal on Nigerian used cars. This is a foreign used Lexus IS 250, 2007 model, upgraded to 2015 model. This is the interior of the car. This is a review of Lexus IS 250. This is a revised camera, and the car is going for 13.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Do you do car delivery service to your buyers?
We deliver nationwide. This is a foreign used Lexus ES 350, 2011 model. This is the interior of the car. This is a foreign used Lexus ES 350, 2008 model, accident free. This is the interior. This is a review of Lexus ES 350 2008 model, and this is a revised camera. It's going for 12.5 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No. This is a foreign used Lexus ES 330 2005 model. This is the interior of the car. This is a review of ES 330. This is a revised camera, and the car is going for 11 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payments. For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
My name is Ruth. Welcome to Blessed Automobile. And if you need any of this car, you can call me with 090 64 00 7408, 090 64 00 7408. That's my WhatsApp number. My address is located at Apapa My 2 Express, Lagos, Nigeria.